Atlas 2.0 is an electric humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics. He lost his former massive torso and protective plates, becoming more slender and human-like. The robot has no visible cables, which makes its appearance more neat and attractive. A significant update has been made to the robot's motor skills. Atlas is able to perform movements with greater grace and precision, which, according to Boston Dynamics, made him look like a professional athlete. The robot is able to rise after falls without assistance, which significantly increases its productivity. Boston Dynamics plans to begin pilot testing of the electric Atlas on high-end production lines as early as next year. Atlas 2.0 is an electric humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics. He lost his former massive torso and protective plates, becoming more slender and human-like. The robot has no visible cables, which makes its appearance more neat and attractive. A significant update has been made to the robot's motor skills. Atlas is able to perform movements with greater grace and precision, which, according to Boston Dynamics, made him look like a professional athlete. The robot is able to rise after falls without assistance, which significantly increases its productivity. Boston Dynamics plans to begin pilot testing of the electric Atlas on high-end production lines as early as next year. On April 17, 2024, Boston Dynamics introduced a new generation of Atlas robots, developed together with Hyundai.
The new Atlas is designed based on decades of research and confirms our commitment to creating the most capable and useful mobile robots that solve the most difficult tasks in modern industry.
Explained in Boston Dynamics, the new model of Boston Dynamics robots will be tested at the testing ground at the Hyundai plant. The developers promised to tell more details about the robot and its device in the future. The company stated that it is the most dynamic humanoid robot in the world. The BDX droids were developed using new technologies from the research and development departments of Disney Research and Walt Disney Imagineering, whose work allows mechanical characters such as droids to interact with park visitors. The BDX droids were introduced to the public by Disney Imagineers during a live test conducted in October 2023, when 3 learning droids roamed the Disneyland park location Star Wars Edge of the Galaxy as a game test, during which the droids demonstrated the ability to overcome bumps and even dance without losing their balance. At that time, it was not confirmed whether BDX would be a permanent part of the Galaxy's Edge. On April 5, 2024, it was confirmed that the droids would appear in a limited-time release during the Season of the Force event. During development, the 3 BDX units were jokingly named after Disney triplets Huey, Dewey, and Louie. After the October playtest, Lucasfilm Story Group member Matt Martin said that he was not yet able to reveal the droids' names because they were still in development, although he did reveal the Huey, Dewey, and Louie jokes shared behind the scenes. Martin also had little input with the development of the props and instead credited the talents of the Imagineers with their creation. With the announcement that they would be coming to Season of the Force, the droids were officially revealed to be named BDX droids in-universe. Ameca is primarily designed as a platform for the further development of robotic technologies involving human-robot interaction. To interact with the public, he uses built-in microphones, cameras with binoculars on his eye, a chest camera, and facial recognition software. Interactions can be controlled by either GPT-3 or a telepresence person. He also has articulated motorized arms, fingers, neck, and facial features. Ameca's appearance has gray rubber skin on her face and hands and is specially designed to appear asexual. The first generation of Ameca was developed at the headquarters of Engineered Arts in Falmouth, Cornwall, UK. The project started in February 2021, and the first video was publicly released on December 1st, 2021. Ameca attracted widespread attention on Twitter and TikTok ahead of its first public demonstration at CESS 2022, where it was covered by CNN and other news agencies. In 2022, Ameca presented an alternative Christmas message from Channel 4 for Christmas. Ameca is currently associated with the robot family of the Museum of the Future, where it can interact with visitors. Ameca is able to conduct a dialogue with a person, pose in a photo, repeat human facial expressions, and is scared by what this robot may surprise tomorrow. Skuo is a self-balancing wheelchair that can go up and down stairs independently and smoothly. This innovation offers its users a dynamic experience for navigating over obstacles, with multiple rubber tracks providing a smooth and safe ride on the stairs. With recent innovations in smartphone, automobile, drone, and even robotic vacuum cleaner technology, Skuo was surprised to find the same electric wheelchairs from years ago on today's market. The Skuo wheelchair's sturdy rubber tracks provide a safe and comfortable transition up or down stairs, while an extra-wide base stabilizes the chair, even on spiral staircases. Transfers onto the stairs and back to the floor are automated. The self-balancing chair also provides agile maneuvering and dynamic driving over common obstacles like curbs, while the user can either use the joystick or a shift in body weight to control the chair. The Skuo electric wheelchair features 3 different driving modes depending on the terrain. Safe mode is used for getting on and off, getting to a table, or standing still. Elevated mode enables eye-to-eye communication and reaching high-lying objects. Track mode overcomes slippery surfaces like snow or gravel, trickier obstacles, or steep inclines with increased traction. Tennis fans should like the following invention very much, since they no longer have to pick up balls on the court and calmly play their favorite game. In lawn tennis, during a regular workout, there are a lot of balls on the court. All of them have to be removed manually. Developers from Boston, USA have proposed to solve this problem with the help of the Tenabot robot, for the production of which funds are now being raised on Kickstarter. According to the developers, Tenabot uses computer vision and artificial intelligence, together with a wide-angle camera, for autonomous movement around the court, detecting and collecting tennis balls. It places the balls in a special container attached to the back, capable of accommodating 80 balls. Along with using the built-in sensors, the robot also communicates wirelessly with the Tenabot station, attached to the edge of the grid, which is a camera that constantly monitors its location. It is reported that Tenabot is moving at a speed of 2.3 kilometers per h. The battery charge is claimed to be enough for 5 hours of battery life. This robot collects balls all over the United States, and its cost starts from $2,000. Do you think it's worth spending that kind of money for the time you've saved? Subscribe and like to release a new video.